In this video, we will practice repeating sounds so that we may become better readers and writers. Let's start by saying consonant, short vowel, and digraphs sounds. A, apple, a. B, bat, b. C, cat, k. D, dog, d. E, ed, e. F, fun, f. G, game, g. H, hat, h. I, itch, I. J, jug, j. K, kite, k. L, lamp, l. M, man, m. N, nut, n. O, octopus, ah. P, pan, p. Q, queen, qu. R, rat, r. S, snake, s. T, top, t. U, up, V, van, v. W, wind, w. X, fox, x. Y, yellow, y. Z, zebra, z. WH, whistle, w. SH, ship, sh. TH, thumb, th. CH, chin, ch. CK, sock, k. Now, let's practice repeating glued sounds, R-control vowel sounds, and vowel teams. ALL, ball, all. AM, ham, am. AN, fan, an. ANG, fang, ang. ING, ring, ing. ONG, song, ong. UNG, lung, ung. ANK, bank, ank. INK, pink, ink. ONK, honk, onk. UNK, junk, unk. AR, car, r. OR, horn, or. ER, her, IR, bird, UR, burn, ILD, wild, ild. IND, find, ind. OLD, cold, old. OLT, colt, alt. OST, post, oast. AI, bait, A. AY, play, A. EE, jeep, E. EA, eat, E. EY, key, E. OI, coin, oi. OY, boy, oi. OA, boat, O. OE, toe, O. OW, snow, O. OU, trout, ow. OO, school, oo. UE, rescue. EW, chew, oo. Let's go back to UE, rescue, you. UE, rescue, you. EW, chew, oo. AU, August, aw. AW, saw, aw. AE, safe, A. EE, Pete, E. IE, pine, I. OE, home, O. U-E, mule, you. U-E, rule, you. I-V-E, give, if. S, bugs, z. Now let's practice some long vowel sounds. A, acorn, A. E, me, E. I, hi, I. O, no, O. U, pupil, you. You. You, flew, ooh. Y, cry, I. Y, baby, E. Thank you for practicing with me.